how to recover photos from secure folder on Samsung without backup. So if you want to recover photos from secure folder on Samsung without backup, then just follow these steps. When you delete photos or files from the secure folder of the device, they aren't immediately removed permanently. Instead, they are moved to the recycle bin or trash within the secure folder. This function acts as a safety net, allowing you a period, usually 15 to 30 days, to recover accidentally deleted items before they are permanently erased. The recycle bin is an integral part of the secure folder's design, ensuring that you have a chance to retrieve your important photos or documents if you deleted them by mistake. All you have to do is go to your secure folder. So you just need to simply go with search on your apps and then search for secure folder. From there, you need to go to its recycle bin. You'll get an option to retrieve the items. The next option is to recover data from the secure folder. So to recover, you can go with the next method, which is you need to open up your Play Store, go with search, and you need to search for Recover Go. Once you've searched, you will have the application right here. This is an application which you can find in the Play Store for those seeking a reliable solution to restore deleted photos from the secure folder on their Android device. Recover Go for Android stands out as an efficient tool. This software is specially designed for scenarios where photos are no longer in the recycle bin and there's no available backup. Its robust recovery capabilities make it a preferred choice for anyone looking to recover their precious memories without complication. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.